Let me guess, just like me, you planned to film today. You woke up early, you motivated yourself, you planned overnight, but just when you're about to start filming, NEPA takes the lights, or your neighbor starts playing loud music, or you have clients to attend to. And by the time everything settles, you realize you are out of time. It's 7 p.m. already. Now you feel guilty, you feel behind, and you feel inconsistent. Because when you open the social media platforms, you see people posting steadily and consistently, and you wonder how they have the time. Trust me, I ask myself this question. Even though I am consistent, I still ask myself these questions because 24 hours is not enough anymore. The huge difference between people that are able to stay consistent and you that struggle to stay consistent is batch creating. And today, I'm going to show you how to batch create realistically, especially if you are into content creation and still have other side hustle by the side. Do well to stay to the end because I'll be giving you practical Nigerian batch creating structure that works even without steady light and if you have busy schedules. Hi there, my name is Adeomi Ogini. I create content around beauty, content creation, and finance for Nigerians living in Nigeria and Nigerians living in diaspora. And this is what I've realized. In Nigeria, consistency is not about motivation, it's about structure. So if you don't build systems, life here is scatter your plans. First off, let's talk about why batch creating feels impossible in Nigeria. When people batch create, it sounds like film 10 videos in one day, but nobody talks about the cost of fuel, shared apartments, family interruptions, running a business, and being your own staff. As a business owner, you're handling DMs, you are taking orders, you are packing orders, and managing so many other things at the same time. So when exactly do you find the time to batch? Most Nigerian creators don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they are trying to copy systems built for stable environments. So first things first, you need to shift your definition of batch creating. Batch creating is not you shooting many videos. It is you reducing decision fatigue. Every time you set up the tripod, adjust lighting, choose an outfit, or work on your audio, you consume energy. So when you repeat this process 5 different days, you waste energy 5 different times. But when you do it once and maximize it, you win. In a country like Nigeria, you don't batch by calendar, you batch by opportunity. The moment light is stable, that is the opportunity to film as many content as possible. Now let me walk you through how to actually plan batch creating. Instead of waking up and saying, what should I film today? You already have your ideas on ground. Always plan the night before. Write out your scripts, choose your outfits, select the products you'll be making use of if you're into makeup content, and basically be prepared. Instead of filming randomly, group similar contents together. Here's why most Nigerian creators fail at batching. It's because you try to batch randomly. You try to batch without structure. You underestimate energy and time. You don't optimize for power supply, and you overcomplicate your filming process. Batch creating is not necessarily filming 5 videos in one day. It's you making use of one setup, one mental zone, and multiple outputs. Say for instance, if you're in beauty business, imagine using one makeup to film Get Ready With, product breakdown, business lessons, and also a YouTube long-form content. Now that is what I call batch creating. In countries like United Kingdom or the USA, creators rely on stable electricity, quiet environments, and structured schedules. But in places like Nigeria, unpredictability is a part of life. So you don't batch weekly, you batch when the conditions align. Once light is available, you film your content fast. Once you have your generator on, you maximize. Batch creating in Nigeria is opportunity productivity, not calendar productivity. Now, there's something I call the 4-hour Nigerian batch creating system. First is the 30 minutes idea extraction. For this one, open your notes app and dump in 20 problems your audience has. Step 2, 10 minutes for cluster method. For this one, you want to group those ideas into different categories. For step 3, one setup, multiple angles. This can take within an hour. Now, I'm talking about talking head videos. I'm not necessarily talking about makeup application videos because those do take more time. Set your camera once, film all mistake videos back to back. This is how you make each video look different. Change your outfit for each video, rearrange your background, and switch up your makeup look if you have one on, or switch up your hair. Step 4, energy-based filming. This should take 1 hour, 30 minutes. There are 3 energy types. You have storytelling energy, teaching energy, and motivational energy. Try to group and film similar energy videos together. Now that's that for the 4-hour batch creating structure that works in Nigeria. Next up, the psychology of viral batching. Batch creating has the possibility of increasing virality. That's if you're the type that loves to go viral. When you batch create, your message becomes consistent. And when your message is consistent, the algorithm recognizes your niche, it recognizes your authority, and your confidence increases. Consistency is branding. Branding in turn builds trust. Trust builds more watch time, and watch time builds money. So if you're serious about growing long-term as a content creator in Nigeria, batch creating is no longer a luxury. It is your leverage. That's that for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos like this. I'll see you on the next one.